wanted to make a quick video for anyone wondering about the installation of my Z-axis extension. So we'll start off by removing the fan cover. As you can see, I have actually already pre-loosened the 4 screws. They're just a Phillips head. We'll remove those. Secondly, slide out the aluminum that holds the wires. Place that to the side. We'll no longer be needing it. Secondly, the new cover that was sent, just place it on the top. Slide your original screws back in. Snug those down. Secondly, loosen the set screw. Slide the unit up. Grab your new extension. As you can see, for the new design, there is now a new slot for a specific size for the nut that was in the old slide. You'll take this and you slide it up from the bottom. If you will hold in your wire loom, it will actually slide perfectly behind it. We've allotted the amount of room needed for that. If you will slide to the bottom, flush with the metal housing, tighten the screw. Secondly, you'll notice we'll slide this back down on the original, like so. Tighten up our OEM set screw. Now we have it in the up position, like you would normally use it for your rotary. If you need to engrave or cut on your spool board, loosen your set screw, slide it to the bottom, tighten your set screw back up. And that is it. It's a very simple process. The last thing I have supplied, and due to request, added a hole in the top right hand corner, is a teardrop. And what that is for is that allows you to use the supplied zip tie to loosely secure the wires at the top to keep them out of the way. It doesn't have to be done, but if it's something that you'd like to do, it is also there for you. So that is it. Not a whole lot to it. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thank you.